Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best grain-free dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. It's a list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Taste of the Wild Wetlands Grain-Free Dry Dog Food. Taste of the Wild Wetlands Grain-Free Dry Dog Food with roasted duck leads the pack when it comes to satisfying your dog's natural cravings for a wild diet. This family-owned brand, produced in the USA, stands out by prioritizing high-quality ingredients sourced both domestically and globally, ensuring your furry friend gets nothing but the best. Boasting real duck as its #1 ingredient, this food delivers a protein-rich, 32% feast designed to support strong muscles, healthy bones, and joints. Dog owners will appreciate how Taste of the Wild goes beyond just meeting nutritional needs by providing a meal that dogs genuinely enjoy. The inclusion of roasted fowl offers a taste sensation that dogs can't resist, while sweet potatoes and peas provide easily digestible energy for even the most active pets. Moreover, omega fatty acids ensure a shiny coat and healthy skin, concerns at the top of any dog owner's list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Open Farm Grass-Fed Beef Grain-Free Dry Dog Food. Open Farm Grass-Fed Beef Grain-Free Dry Dog Food stands out in a crowded market with its commitment to quality and transparency. The use of 100% humanely raised Wagyu beef as the primary ingredient addresses your dog's instinctual craving for meat, ensuring they receive a diet that's both appetizing and nutritious. By excluding grains, corn, and soy, this recipe incorporates non-GMO superfoods like pumpkin, carrot, and coconut oil, delivering a balanced meal rich in essential vitamins and minerals. This careful selection supports overall wellness and caters even to the pickiest eaters. The brand takes pride in offering complete transparency about where each ingredient comes from. Dog owners can easily trace the origin of every component using the lot number on each bag, eliminating any mystery about what goes into their pet's bowl. In addition to nutritional benefits, Open Farm prioritizes animal welfare. Their beef is GAP certified, reassuring customers that they are not only feeding their pets well, but also supporting ethical farming practices. At number 3, we have the Wellness Core Plus Grain-Free Dog Food. Wellness Core Plus Grain-Free Dog Food stands out in the crowded pet food market due to its high-quality, protein-rich ingredients. Made in the USA, this product ensures your dog's diet is packed with natural enzymes and raw animal proteins that they instinctively crave. The unique blend of wild game duck, wild boar, rabbit, and freeze-dried lamb offers a rich flavor profile that dogs love. This composition supports lean muscle tone and encourages a healthier body mass by closely mimicking what dogs would eat in the wild. Dog owners seeking a nutritious option for their pets will appreciate the added benefits Wellness Core Plus provides. It promotes digestive health through guaranteed levels of probiotics and supports joint strength with glucosamine. Additionally, omega fatty acids contribute to a shiny coat and healthy skin, while taurine ensures heart health. At number 2, we have the Instinct Raw Boost Grain-Free Recipe. Instinct Raw Boost Grain-Free Recipe with real beef and freeze-dried raw pieces dry dog food stands out. This product combines high-quality, grain-free kibble with pieces of freeze-dried raw beef, offering a protein-packed diet that mimics what dogs would eat in the wild. The inclusion of raw ingredients ensures that your pet receives all the natural nutrients and enzymes they need for healthy digestion, strong muscles, and a shiny coat. One noteworthy aspect of this dog food is its commitment to using real, USA-raised beef as the primary ingredient. This choice supports not only superior taste, but also ensures that your dog benefits from high-quality animal protein without unnecessary fillers like corn, wheat, or soy, which can trigger allergies in sensitive pets. And finally, at number 1, we have the Victor Super Premium Dog Food. Victor Super Premium Dog Food sets the bar high for grain-free canine nutrition, making it a standout choice for pet owners seeking the best for their furry friends. It's crafted in the USA with a meticulous eye on quality. The brand boasts of its VPRO blend, a unique mix of supplements, vitamins, and minerals that unlock a dog's full potential across all life stages. This specific formulation, grain-free Yukon River Canine, caters to dogs prone to meat protein allergies or those with sensitivities to grains by using premium quality fish as its primary source of protein. Dog owners will appreciate how this food supports various aspects of their pet's health from puppyhood through adulthood. With 33% protein content and essential fatty acids included in this formula, your dog is not just enjoying their meal, but also receiving benefits like a healthier coat, a stronger immune system, and improved digestive health. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.